मॉम डेफिनेटली उठा के घर से बाहर फेंक देने वाली है। बहुत हो गई बकवास। ओ माई गॉड, ओ माई गॉड। बट नेवरदलेस, अभी तो नेवरदलेस ये क्या है? Hi you guys, I really hope you all are doing well. I know it's been quite some time that I have been MIA from the long format, but I thought it is the right time to sit and shoot the long format video. So let's go. Without further ado, let's get started. So I have ordered this parcel from Nykaa and सच बताऊँ, जिस हिसाब से पार्सल मेरे घर पे आ रहे हैं गाइज, मेरी मॉम उठा के डेफिनेटली मुझे घर से बाहर फेंकने वाली है। बट अब आ गया है तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते। लेट्स जस्ट अनबॉक्स इट। ओके, आई नो इट्स नॉट लाइक ओ माय गॉड पता नहीं देखते क्या पार्सल आया है। मुझे पता है मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया है, बट मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना आप लोगों के साथ इसे अनबॉक्स किया जाए। आई एम ट्राइंग टू शूट लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियोज़, बट लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़। Fine, I think we made the progress and the parcel is finally, oops sorry, हमारा parcel finally खुल चुका है। तो this is a freebie, I'll show you later, but the one thing that I really wanted to order is this cute little packaging. It's not little, it's giant. I'm gonna show that to you. So before I do that, I wanted to tell you there's one fragrance that I really love. It is from Plum, which is the vanilla plum body loving smoking vanilla. That's my signature perfume and I love it. It really smells good. So that's the vanilla fragrance that I really love. I also wanted to try this perfume from Sol de Janeiro. The purple bottle, it really looks cool, right? But काफ़ी महंगा है वो guys. तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना हम उसका ड्यूप, जैसे मैंने काफ़ी वीडियोस में देखा था उसका ड्यूप है, सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना हम ऑर्डर करते हैं इसे और ट्राई करते हैं। दिस इज़ द पर्पल बॉटल, लुक हाउ क्यूट द पैकेजिंग इज, isn't it so cute? And I love purple, is my favorite color. So I'm just reading the notes of this perfume mist. The top note is sweet, tropical and fruity, which it is. The heart note is vanilla, nutty, jasmine and floral. The base note is vanilla, absolute, tonka, amber and powdery. I don't know, some of it is new to me, but these are the notes. Oh my god, oh my god, ओ माई गॉड, ये इतना अजीब सा क्यों है? पता नहीं इसमें ऐसे ऐसे क्यों हो रखा है। उफ, आई थिंक इसका पैकेजिंग डिस्टर्ब हो के आया है। परफ्यूम पूरा बाहर आ चुका है। वेरी ओवर पावरिंग। एनीवेज, अब इसको रिटर्न तो नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं। I'll just wipe it off. This I do remember smelling this, something similar to this, but I can't exactly recollect which one it is similar to. कैसे सिमिलर पता नहीं चलेगा। प्लम बॉडी लविंग का द ओरिजिनल वेरिएंट ही स्मेल कर रहा है ये, समथिंग ऑन दैट नोट्स, but I love the Plum body loving perfume mist more than this. So yeah, you can consider that one. समझा ना आपको मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ? It is on the sweeter side, if that's the term. But if you don't like sweet floral fragrances, I would suggest you to go with the smoking vanilla. That is, oh my god, that is just to die for, you know, that fragrance. So if you really want to try the vanilla fragrance, go for Plum body loving smoking vanilla fragrance. You would just love it. यार इसके पैकेजिंग में क्या इशू है? But okay fine, this is how the cute purple bottle looks like and let's just spray it. It's really nice. हल्का हल्का वैनिला वाइब्स टाइप। इट इज़ द एक्वालॉजिका फ्रेश सनकिस्ड वैनिला परफ्यूम बॉडी मिस्ट। आई नो कि ये बॉडी एंड हेयर मिस्ट भी है, बट इट इज़ रियली क्यूट पैकेजिंग, स्टर्डी पैकेजिंग, नॉट दैट कि प्लास्टिक बहुत हल्का है इसका, ठीक ही है, यू नो। आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई एम द फैन ऑफ दिस वन राइट नाउ, आई कांट टेल, बट मे बी आई यूज़ इट और थोड़ा सा समझ में आ जाएगा। कुछ तो गड़बड़ है गया इसमें, पता नहीं इसका। ओके, ऐसे बैठ जाता है, फाइन। बट आई रियली लव द बॉटल, लुक हाउ क्यूट इट इज़। ओके, तो I ordered this in the combo, so we have received this Aqualogic का sunscreen, Illuminate Aqualogica Illuminate Plus Dewy Sunscreen with wild berries and alpha arbutin, luminous plus hydrate SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 UVA and UVB as well. It also says blue light protection, unique waterlock technology. Look how cute this bottle is. Oh my god. Okay, this is how the texture is. Okay, it's really water-like texture. It's getting absorbed into my skin. Can you see that glow on my hand? It's really glowing. It is definitely going to give you that glow under your makeup in the daytime. I'm liking it. Does not leaves any white cast and doesn't have any smell to it. So I quite like this product. Very much excited to try this sunscreen. Maybe tomorrow for sure. I'm gonna try this one. I can't tell you about the scent. I don't know if I wasted my money. कुछ बोल नहीं सकते उसके बारे में. Okay, I'm gonna show you the freebie. ये दो पर्पल प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर करने के बाद हमको क्या फ्रीबी मिला है. Obviously that's also the Aqualogica का सनस्क्रीन भेजा है इन्होंने. Aqualogica D10 Plus Dewy Sunscreen, Cherry Tomato Hyaluronic Acid, removes tan and hydrates. So it is SPF 50 plus. There is no PA plus 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 to it. It's just SPF 50 plus. Unique waterlock technology and blue light protection. So okay, इसको भी ट्राई कर ही लेते हैं. Oh, it is really lightweight. Can you see that? Oh my god, it is definitely doing what it is claiming. Waterlock technology and illuminating. It's giving that dewy look. It's nice. I mean, no smell to it. And neither does it leaves any white cast. So काफ़ी सारे sunscreen हो गए हैं guys. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. I don't think I'm a big fan of this scent. I would not recommend that to you. But someday, definitely I'm gonna try the Sol de Janeiro's purple and Cherryosa something that orange color का bottle. I will definitely try that. But ये तो ऐसे ही ख़त्म कर दूँगी मैं मिस्ट लगा के. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will be definitely coming on the long format videos. Otherwise I am very regular with my shorts. So I try to put shorts every Tuesday and Thursday. Sunday I'm trying to put the long format videos. So let's see how it goes. But definitely I am eager to do a lot more videos for you guys. So if there are any suggestions, you may leave it down in the comment section. I'm going to link this product in the description box. In case you still want to go ahead and give this a try, you definitely can. But yeah, I definitely like the sunscreen. No doubt about it. You can definitely get this one. It is really cute packaging, purple, and why not? It's really nice. You can give this sunscreen a try, but not sure about this one. Anyways, thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video and please subscribe to my channel because subscribing is completely free. Thank you for all your support and love. Till next time, until then, stay positive, stay happy. Bye.